Hey guys, welcome back. This is episode 24 of Trading to a Million by JPS Trading, 30th of September 2020. So, correct me if I'm wrong, I believe this is the day the presidential debate happened, which obviously you guys probably would have all seen. There was definitely some controversy, and it was a entertaining and a crazy debate, to say the least, in terms of that. So, earlier this morning, so I didn't get the video rolling till about 9 a.m. I was pretty content about going short, but I was just looking for an entry point to do so. So we had this big spike in the futures just before 9 a.m. I took that as an opportunity to get some allocations in, as you can see here. Let me know what you guys are thinking of the videos as well. Like, comment, and subscribe. All your feedback is greatly appreciated. Something I wanted to touch on quickly as well. I will be talking a few things in this video, but also that if you do yourself a favor and go have a look in the description of my videos. I do provide some very helpful links there. If you're looking to get started in a portfolio, crypto, or savings, or whatever it may be, or even just an Australian portfolio, I've got some links there, some affiliate links. We can get some free cash to start your portfolio. But back to the video. So here I am still short at the moment, and look, obviously, well, how it looks at the moment, I'm a little bit worried. My stop loss isn't too far away from current levels. As we know, things can move really quickly when it comes to 950 in about 15 minutes. So look, I was still overall happy to go short, but this wasn't exactly what I wanted to see. And it's hard to, well, when you compare it to the US futures and this instrument, this is actually making a lower low from the breakout, whereas Australian futures are doing a little bit of a low, but it's at a higher low in terms of that. If you get what I'm saying, like it feels very bullish bias. So that was playing on my mind quite a bit. But nevertheless, obviously, I was happy to let the trade play out and get it to about 950, where we'll obviously see some action. So my mentality going into this, obviously, it didn't exactly tie in with my strategy, but because there was a presidential debate happening, I was anticipating people were going to be de-risking in before this occurred. Doesn't mean that it's going to sell off. There could be a huge amount of buyers, but generally in around this sort of phase, people like to take money off the table. So I was just building up a short position, as I did here. And look, obviously how this was moving, and we're getting pretty close to about 950 now, I was worried. I thought I was definitely wrong. But what you see me do here is something that I want to talk about, and obviously something that we can correct ourselves for the future. Because what I did here was, look, it's not the worst thing to do, but definitely it's something that we need to try and avoid. And I'm going to be talking about keeping a cool head. So we've got about a minute, or it's about 10 seconds before this opens. So I'll let you obviously see this now. So I was under the impression that I could have been wrong, but what you'll see here now is, here we go. We're minutes away. A big push up, and then 950. And then bang, big drop. And my instant reaction was just to cash that in, because that was very unexpected. Obviously, I did want it to go that way, but it was unexpected how that occurred. And I want to talk about keeping a cool head in these situations, just because, you know, there is a time when drastic action is needed to take. But my strategy was, I did want to go short. So for me, that wasn't the best decision to make, just to have a big knee-jerk reaction and just take it out. And I think it's something that we can learn from as well, because yes, it did come up a little bit, but overall, if you saw the day play out, the market aggressively sold off until the debate started, and then actually went on a bit of a rally in terms of that. So yeah, for next time, something for me to learn is, you know, when that happens, and something for you guys as well. You know, just keep a cool head. Whatever the market throws at you, you know, try and make logical decisions. But profit nonetheless. See you guys in the next video. Cheers.